Hello, good evening guys. Hey guys, dito po guys nag walking. Time check guys, time 6, 7:26. So parang maaga pa, 7:26 guys, maaga pa. Yan guys, I'm walking. Yan guys, alas 7 26 no guys. So I need every day walking 1 hour, walking lang. Yan guys, that is surrounding sa ano namin guys, sa apartment, sa bahay namin. Yan guys, so dito malapit yung kainan sa amin guys, yung arena. Yan guys, arena food court, malapit lang sa amin. Yan, arena food court. Yan guys, so 8 o'clock aakyat na ako, 8 o'clock. Yan guys, yan guys, ano lang tayo, walking lang ta, walking. Yan guys, okay guys, bye bye guys.